Hi guys, Spider Rider is back to check on this little thing that we did together yesterday. For those of you who didn't watch my first episode, go back and watch it. It's part 1. I showed you there, guys, how to fix the mount with Sugru. And believe me, guys, it did a wonderful thing. I'm so happy with this moldable glue. It's a wonder glue. I don't know who invented Sugru, but really thumbs up. It works perfectly well, I think, for any helmet. Why? Because you can mold it in, it takes any shape you want, and then it becomes a mold and it glues together stuff. So that's exactly what you need. So actually, this Sugru that I used yesterday, it's already a mold. It's like the plastic. Even if the color of the plastic, it's like the plastic, it's like it belongs here. It's not messy, it's nice, and it glued my plastic mount to the helmet. And now I tested the strength, of course. I already tested it today. I took it to the track, I used my camera, and it works perfectly well. Don't worry, it doesn't go off, it doesn't come out. What I want to show you, of course, is this thing that keeps the camera, and the way I mounted it on this plastic black thing on the mount. I used it, I did it like this. So this is it. And now I will show you my camera, what I use for the camera. It's this tiny little thing. It's the Hero 5 Black Session Edition. It's nice, it's tiny, it's light, it's small. You don't feel it, it's not heavy on the camera. It's not in your sight. It's really a nice camera. But I show you guys, it comes in the box. It comes with this little short extension. And as you can see, my camera looks down the road. It doesn't look up the road. So I needed some arms, some extensions to make it a little bit longer. So what I used are these two little things. One is a short extension and one is a long extension, of course, with the screws that come with it. But then I use the small extension like this. So now it's a little bit longer, but it turns the camera, and then I'm using this long extension to bring the camera back up. And we have something like this, which is flexible. You can put it up, you can put it down, and we mount the camera up here. And because it has this extension, it has really a lot of freedom, and it has full rotating possibilities. You can use it like this, a little bit further away, or what I used today is I brought it closer to my chin, closer to my mouth, like this. So this is the helmet setup that I use for filming. You'll see later on some footage of my trek experience of today. I hope you found this information useful. If you want to make another setup for yourself, if you're a beginner, if you're new, I'm just going through my experience as a first-time rider with you guys. So if you liked it, please hit like, subscribe, and watch me in the coming episodes, because I have a really big surprise for you guys. I had 2 lessons on the track, and I dropped my bike already twice. So this is what you're going to see in the next episodes from me. Yes, this is Spider Rider, and I'm out. Bye guys. much easier than 2 days ago. It really does, really does. But the wind! Ah! Okay, clutch and brake and kick down.